Two elderly people are sitting on a bench. Two elderly people are sitting on a bench. They are sitting side by side quietly. They are sitting side by side quietly. They are looking at the green park in front of them. They are looking at the green park in front of them. The trees above them have long hanging leaves. The trees above them have long hanging leaves. The leaves make a soft, cool shade. The leaves make a soft, cool shade. The two people seem calm and relaxed. The two people seem calm and relaxed. They are enjoying the quiet moment together. They are enjoying the quiet moment together. Both of them have white hair. Both of them have white hair. They are wearing warm jackets. They are wearing warm jackets. The bench looks old but strong. The bench looks old but strong. The ground is covered with small stones. The ground is covered with small stones. The background is full of trees and plants. The background is full of trees and plants. A calm lake is in front of them. A calm lake is in front of them. The air looks cool and fresh. The air looks cool and fresh. It might be early morning or late afternoon. It might be early morning or late afternoon. They might be talking softly to each other. They might be talking softly to each other. They could be old friends or a couple. They could be old friends or a couple. They seem to enjoy nature. They seem to enjoy nature. The place looks peaceful and beautiful. The place looks peaceful and beautiful. It is a perfect spot to rest and talk. It is a perfect spot to rest and talk.